Good luck, we are from PBL Group AN301. Today we will present our project for this semester entitled DECO. Our group consists of 3 members. I am Sasputi Evianti and my teammates are Sivandini and Zaki Agung Nugroho. We would also like to thank our Manpro and Pro, Mrs. Vidya and Ms. Anis Rahmi. Before we continue, I will briefly explain the project background, objective, and idea. This project is about creating an interactive virtual exhibition to showcase student work using 3D booth asset and animate visual. The objective of this project are to design creative 3D booth, display student work interactive, and promote the exhibition using 2D plus animation. The project idea is to combine interactive 3D booth with simple and engaging promotional animation to show the creative of the Informatica Engineering Department. Next, these are the reference used in our project. For the 3D environment, we use the sidewalk in front of Batam Polytechnic and the Batam Polytechnic building as reference. We also include the sidewalk elements similar to those in our project. We also use several reference for the booth layout and shape. For the 2D reference, we use one main character reference, focusing on the clothing and style. And for the next is the story premise. Deco, who is caught in the rain and enter a mysterious virtual world after jumping over a puddle. There he see a vision of his future and return to real world with new motivation. Okay, and my friend too will continue this presentation. Thank you.
Okay, this slide introduces our main character, Deko. His name is Deko and he is 18 years old. He was born on September 12, 2007 and he is from Indonesia. Deko is 160 centimeters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. He has light tan skin, black hair, and black eyes. His personality is calm, quiet, curious, observant, and responsive. He also has simple props, which are a smartphone and a bag used to support the story. Okay, next. Okay, this slide shows the world building and environments in the animation. The first environment is the street and bus stop in front of the Polybatam building. This is the main outdoor setting where the story begins. And the second environment is the Polytechnic Batam building. The third environment is white empty room where Deco falls and enters the virtual world. And the last setting environment is the booth area inside the virtual world. Next. Okay, this slide explains the properties used in the animation. The properties are back, and smartphone. The smartphone is a key property because it is the object that pulls Deco in the virtual world. Next. Okay, this slide focused on the basic concept shown in the animation. First, when Deco runs, he pushes the ground backward with his feet, and the ground pushes him forward. This demonstrates Newton's third law, which is action and reaction. Second, when Deco steps into a puddle, his impact transfers energy to the water, causing it to splash. This shows energy transfer and change in momentum. The third, when the pawn falls from his hand, it falls because of gravity pulls them down. And the last one, this is uniform linear motion, where an object moves in a straight line at a constant speed because no net force acts on it. Okay, next. Okay, this slide shows the audio used in the animation. You can see a table that contains a list of audio, and on the right side, you can see the audio file storage where all sound files are organized. And we use several tools to create the audio, which are Pixabay, DaVinci Resolve, and Suno AI.
Okay, next is our creative progress that start from the beginning of this semester and to the end. Throughout the semester, we have focused on developing and refining our creative projects, offering every stage from initial concept to final output. Work on including creating and cleaning up storyboards, building 3D environment, and also designing the poster, and then organizing the story element and also performing the component writing right here. All of these tasks were carefully executed by our dedicated team of 3 members working collaboratively to achieve consistent quality across all of the aspect of this project. As I mentioned earlier, this is our poster, which is a background with multiple boot like structure because in this story, they call our main character will eventually fall into a virtual world boot into a virtual boot world. Here are some reference. Here are some reference that we use for the inspiration. This include poster from the last semester PBL project focusing on the page versus screen concepts as well as the other poster projects from different universities like as Cahaya Iman in digital era and among the others. Here is the trailer from our animation. Okay. And then here we presents the animation that we have created before. In conclusion, we would like to summarize that this project is now complete and has achieved 100% of the promised target. We have also received valuable feedback and suggestions from several lecturers. We hope that in the next semester we can continue to grow and also improve uh, ourselves. Wait. Uh, and I'm sorry. We hope that in the next semester we can continue to grow and improve uh, ourselves, of course, with guidance from our lecturers too. Thank you very much. Thank you and see you in the next semester.